Hey, so I'm out here in foggy Seattle and I have the craziest news update for you. I just decided on a whim to uh, try messing around with the drone again, and I was able to get it to pair with this controller and watch this.
Three, two, one.
Can you believe it? So I'm gonna share with you. Let me bring it down.
Ready to fly.
Okay, so I am going to share a video of what I did to get this thing connected. Um, and I don't know if it's going to work for everybody. And I don't know if it's going to continue working or as soon as I shut it down, if it's going to have these problems again. I'm also scared to death to update anything because I don't know if it's going to, if it's going to continue working. But this is the first time I've been able to fly this thing since March of this year. And I'm really excited to share with you guys what I did to get this thing working, because for the past 4 months I've been working on um, reaching out to everyone about this problem and getting signatures so that we can write a letter to GoPro. And I'm still going to write this letter to GoPro, and we're still going to try to resolve this for the 650 other people that have signed this form. But this is huge. This is huge news. So shortly I will post a video of what I did to get this thing working, and I want all of you guys to try it, and we're going to see if we can make this thing happen.